Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be using number 135 along with number 10 for this set. I'm going to be doing the Frenchies with that nude color. I'm also going to be doing the red. I'm debating right now whether I should use the peppermint glitter or the Noel. Pero pues, we'll see right now. So many beautiful designs that we could be doing, but it's so hard to think. So I'm gonna start with the ring finger. I'm gonna do a little Frenchie. I like to hold the acrylic for a few seconds on my brush just to give it some time to start setting before I place it. And like I've mentioned in a lot of my videos, when it starts to get cold, you want to make sure that you give your acrylic a little bit more time to set before you start patting it, because the weather does play a big role on how fast or slow your product will dry. Actually, I don't even need to do this a French yet because I could paint it with gel. Honey. Oops. Yes, I mean, no, the glitter. So actually, I'm just gonna do the whole now with the nude color. Make sure to point your finger down so that the acrylic doesn't run into your little cuticle area. So for the middle finger, I'm going to go ahead and do it completely red. I did not know if I was gonna do the French after on the ring finger. I was having all these little ideas going on, and I didn't know if I should do an ombre after all. You know, when you think you know what you're gonna do, but then you want everything on the fucking nails. That was going on in my brain. I was trying to keep this set a little bit simple so that you guys can recreate it, because I always say it's gonna be simple, and then people be like, that's not even simple. So I hope this is very simple for you to recreate. I forgot what number this is, but I will be adding it to the description. We have, I believe, 2 or 3 new reds. I wanted to upload them to the website sooner, but I just been so busy. So I apologize if I have not been on here. I was gonna try to do the, what is it called? Like Vlogmas, even though I don't vlog, but like videos. But I just can't. Poor little Zule don't got enough time in her day for that. So how's everybody doing? Did you guys already do all your Christmas shopping? I already started. I'm almost done. I left this part, like the first 5 minutes or so, in regular speed. It's not sped up whatsoever, so that you can see how slow Zule goes. Right now it's already kind of cold. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I just woke up. I woke up like half an hour ago. And la pinche hueva, maldita, no me deja. No me deja la hueva. And now it's time to get up. It's time to smell the motherfucking coffee, bitch. Porque el que no madruga, Dios no le ayuda. Nah, just kidding. That's what my mom used to say. So this glitter, I believe is called candy cane. I'm just gonna apply it like very lightly so that the nails still kind of like transparent vibes, you know? Not too transparent, but transparent enough. Because, you know, we need these little snowflakes to be popping. Let me know in the comments if you are a Christmas nails fan. Like, do you wear Christmas nails? Or do you like doing Christmas nails on your clients? I'm sad that this year my clients haven't really chose any holiday nails. I don't know what's going on with my clients, but they weird. They don't want any. I feel like back in the day when I started doing nails, my clients would ask for more like holiday inspired nails, but recently, nope, Felicia. I guess they grown or something. But I mean, that still has nothing to do with what nail style they choose, cause I still have some señora vibes. Ladies like señora. Yeah. Oh my god, Julie, shut up already and go to sleep. That be wearing like nail art that's for Christmas and stuff. I personally don't like it on myself, but I like to do it on other people. So this year I was a little in not the holiday spirit, but like winter spirit. And I did myself the little snowflakes and the pink and the blue. So for this nail, I was originally going to do a French tip sweater because I have one on my nails and it's really pretty. But I'm gonna do the heart sweater and I just felt like I needed more space, girl. I'm not gonna lie, I need more space. So if you didn't watch my previous video on the sweater nail, here's another little tutorial. You want to, personally, I didn't like applying the acrylic first and then the gel, but it's more of a preference. You'll see the way it looks. I used a red acrylic as the base, and now I'm using a red gel that is the closest to the gel possible. This is Gel Polish 117 and it is back in stock. It wasn't in stock for a couple months, so girl, we brought it back just in time for Christmas and Valentine's. And you just want to use a dotting tool to do 2 dots, and this is going to be your guide to the heart. Once you do all the dots going down the middle, or if you just want one heart, then you're going to get yourself a liner brush, a short liner brush, and draw 2 lines down, and they're kind of gonna look like little spermies. If they don't look like spermies, then you ain't doing it right, girl. And then you fill in the rest, and voila, you know, it's kind of like eyeliner where you outline it and then you fill it in. So you're gonna do this to all your little hearts, and it gets easier the more you do it. Okay, my hearts didn't look all that great in a bag of chips or whatever, but they pass. I think the easiest sweater nail is the one that I did first originally on the other videos. So if you want to do sweater nails but you feel like this is a little too difficult for you, try doing the one that I have on my nails, on my pink set. If you haven't already watched that video, then go check it out, girlfriends. I did do them on a live, so there's a lot of chisme going on. That day was so hilarious. My sister was with me, so go check that video out. It's like 2 or 3 videos prior to this one. And so on the side, I'm just gonna do some long lines just to make this sweater fancy. And it's so crazy because I was wearing a sweater the other day and I actually had this pattern. Like, what the fuck? Cray cray. Like the little hearts and then the little 2 lines or strings or whatever. So before you cure the gel is when you put the clear acrylic, okay? And then you cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, or you can do 2 minutes just to be safe because you never know. And sometimes the clients don't stick those hands in correctly. So just do 2 minutes to fully cure and those sweaters ain't going nowhere, girl. Next, I'm going in with a Zulay Bling adhesive. And I'm using these trendy charms. We've had them already for a while, but everybody chooses different colors. So I feel like right now it's time for the red colors. I decided to include a heart to go with my little sweater. And I feel like the little heart charms have been a little, what's the word? Fuck, I can't remember the word. But not a lot of people are loving the little hearts. Maybe because it's not Valentine's Day. I don't know, girl. But you know what? I was like, poor little heart. We're going to use it. That way we can show how you can put it on a nail without it looking like Valentine's Day. Personally, I didn't think this set looked like Valentine's. But it's rockable on the Valentine's as well. And a lot of people ask me that, what do I use to adhere my charms? Girl, where you been at, honey? Just kidding. Well, if you just found me, hey girl, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But I use Zulay Bling adhesive on everything. Okay, this shit is so fucking strong. It will hold your charms. Just make sure to add more than enough glue. And then also try to add a little bit on the sides to secure them. But as long as you put enough glue underneath, you should be fine. Okay. So I decided to put a little bit of light gold crystals and light cyan. Somebody asked me to name the sizes of the crystals. So the first red ones that I applied, the round ones, I believe those are a size 16. And the light gold are size 12. And the smaller ones that I'm placing right now, I believe are like I'm lying. I think those are size 16 as well. And the smaller ones are size 12. I should probably be doing this while I record the video, because then I forget. Right now that I'm doing a voice record, the screen gets a little bit smaller. So it's hard for me to tell. But I don't know, I've just been loving the bling down the middle like this. I kind of am not into like the fully bling, like all full anymore, because sometimes depending on how you place your crystals or decor, your nail could look a little bit more wide. And I feel like just going down the middle, you give the illusion of it's a fully bedazzled decorated nail, girl. But it's still the same shape and you can still look at the base color. So if you ever want something crazy but you still want to make it look like it's a little toned down, definitely try nudes on the base or a transparent nail. That normally looks very sexy. So this is what it looks like, and I did spray activator at the end. And let me know in the comments how you like it. I'll see you next time. Bye.